Hello guys, good evening. Welcome my YouTube channel, Miss Malaka. Hindi po kami nanalo sa aming decoration for Christmas. Yan ang po ang decor namin guys. Very sad. Ito pong bahay ni Danilo Ayub. Nag-effort talaga sila guys. Yan po sa taas nila guys. Oh. Napakataas na po yan. Hindi po nakitaan ng effort sa mga judging. Oh. Spirit of Christmas. It's so very beautiful. Oh, Merry Christmas and prosperous Happy New Year. Love you everything. I love you everyone. Kung hindi pa kayo updated sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyong kalimutan like and share and subscribe. Miss para ka shout out all nationwide. Love you guys. I love you everyone. Bellhoff Trina Straight Castillon, Maya Elena, Viva Mascarinos, Lucita Dayores, Master Alex, and Danilo Ayop and family. Wow. Bossing Cesar niya, Daddy Ninja Traveler. Good evening, everybody. And Lisil Ayub, shout out. Ang virgin ng world. Yan po siya. Ang nanalo ng binibining San Isidro, Philippines. Hindi ba ka-updated sa aking YouTube channel? Huwag niyo kalimutan like and subscribe. Miss Palaka!